Hi, welcome to Laguna.
Hi guys and gals. Janine and I decided to come down to Laguna and get breakfast. So welcome to a taste of Laguna. We're gonna have breakfast and kind of wander around and show you what Laguna looks like. Laguna is huge, so this is just a little part of it. Up Main Street, hit some shops, look at the beach, so it should be fun. So let's go do a little adventure and see what we see. Hey, wait for me.
Let's go.
So this corner right here is iconic. It's, as you're driving down PCH, it kind of makes the turn onto Laguna Beach, goes up the canyon and then Main, and it's pretty cool looking.
I think it's been in a couple of movies too. It's famous. And sometimes it is absolutely packed with people. Today?
Gorgeous day.
Cute stores. You got the Candy Baron over here.
We could go there.
All your candy needs.
So we're gonna try Harley's Laguna Beach. So let's see how the breakfast is. Hopefully it's great. Are you excited?
I am excited.
You can't wait?
I love a good breakfast.
Good breakfast on a Sunday morning is always awesome.
Okay, so last night we were watching Endless Adventures and they had avocado toast. So I was thinking about avocado toast all morning. Bam, right there on the menu, first thing, avocado toast. Otter HB knows how happy I am.
And for me, and it's funny, I go out to breakfast, same thing every time. 2 eggs, bacon, hash brown, there you go. This is a little fancier than I'm used to, but I'm kind of excited. I go, well, finally I get to do something a little different. So I'm gonna do the brioche French toast. Be impressed, because I actually said that correctly, I think. But it looks good, so let's see. Breakfast should be good.
Give it a try.
So here's how we're gonna start the morning. Anyone wondering what this is? You know, it'll be good.
Enjoy.
Hey, so I had to walk inside. This place is gorgeous on the inside. I just wanted to show you and so you can see what it looks like. So far, everything here has been amazing. Come and eat, you'll enjoy. Got an upstairs, let's go look at it. Oh, look at these little tables and everything up here, man. It's an awesome place to sit. Let's hope the food is as good as this place looks, because it's amazing. Hey guys, you gotta see this. This is the chef and this is his area of expertise. Check out where he's working. Hi, chef.
Hey, how you guys doing today?
Amazing. Your kitchen looks cool.
Oh, thank you so much. Thanks
And
for
the
inviting
food,
me.
I've seen it come by. It looks amazing.
Thank you, thank you. Sandy.
What are we talking through here, Chef? This is an avocado toast that Carmela's putting together here.
Do the show. All just running.
Yeah.
And you know where this avocado toast is going, don't you? Watch, it'll be on Janine's plate.
Some nice fresh heirloom tomatoes from the Ecology Center right down the road.
It looks like everything fresh and straight out.
From the Ecology Center. Local farms grow this stuff for us. We got some toasted pine nuts on here.
Oh my God, this food's gonna be amazing, guys. I can't wait to get to the table. Okay, breakfast just got here and it was exactly what the chef was just making. So here is the finished product.
Okay, I want you to show mine. This is my avocado toast with bacon, with the soft boiled egg. I can't wait. This looks absolutely amazing. With the tomatoes, looks delicious. All right, and take a look at those.
And I got the French toast. Look at this plate. Oh my gosh, doesn't that look just fresh and gorgeous?
Amazing. Now give me a second. It's as good as it looks. It's absolutely delicious.
And
Thumbs
now
up.
I get a start.
With the berries.
I think that prettied up that plate a little bit. Oh, can't wait. Mmm,
Thumbs up.
that's
right.
good. That's really, really good.
Now, excuse us while we enjoy this amazing breakfast.
Okay, everybody, breakfast is over. This is what we thought about breakfast.
It was amazing.
Empty plates. Food was
Delicious.
delicious. It was, I can't say how good it was. Perfect amounts. I'm full, I'm not stuffed.
Great flavors.
Just great flavors. Amazing, everything was fresh. Chef, the food was amazing. And I'll tell you, it couldn't have been better.
Hey, well, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Hey everybody, Harley, Laguna Beach. I will tell you, I cannot rave on enough about the food, the service, the vibe. Janine and I guaranteed we'll be back here more than
Hey, we
once.
forgot to tell you one thing.
So here's the public library for Laguna. What do you think about it, sweetie?
I love it. It's adorable. Look at this. Look at the pumpkins. How cool is that? And I love that it's outside and
Just did a neat job.
nice job.
Who's riding a duck? Hey, so we had to walk into an art gallery, walk by here and seen some of the art, and it is gorgeous. Look at this.
How do you say the name? How do you say the
That looks like some of the places we go.
Yeah, it does. Sierras, like coves up north.
Janine, I want to walk him back. Yeah. The artist here is a local artist. His name's Marlon Holden. Laguna, born in Hawaii, that does amazing work.
Look at this. This reminds me of Buddy Cap's house.
The work is stunning. It's just the way it's presented and everything about it is. I hope you enjoyed that. I really did.
I get it.
Run like a bunny.
Yeah. Oh, it's quick like a bunny. And go up there.
Quick like a bunny. It's one of her sayings.
It is one of my sayings. The Wyland Whaling Wall, 1981 and 1996.
And if you don't know who he is, look at some of his artwork. It's amazing.
We're gonna go that way to go in, but I just wanted to see.
Hold on.
Tchotchkes of the finest. I gotta take my jacket off. But I find this spot.
We'll walk down this way real quick.
Okay, awesome.
oceanfront dining.
Is it? That's cool. It's Bubble Cliff. I've seen people come here.
So that was the Cliffs restaurant at the sea. It looked like an amazing lookout, and all the shops right around it. Tchotchkes are pretty cool, so fun little walk. Hey, we were walking by, and I walked by this gallery. It's Laguna Gallery of Contemporary Art, and I seen the work, and it just looks stunning. Look at it. It's just cool. If you live at the beach like we do, even if not, it's just the colors and everything. They're amazing, aren't they?
It's got a really cool vibe about it. And then we'll look at
Oh, look at this. I am just enjoying this so much. Looking, it's just different. Look at the colors. That is one of the most amazing wave pictures.
You get lost in it.
Janine, I love you.
Yeah, thank you, hon.
You just can't help being corny sometimes. I hope you can see the way this is made. And then how it looks.
Yeah. Wow. Unbelievable.
Isn't it?
I can imagine the time that would take.
If you're in Laguna, please come here. It's amazing.
Oh.
So we just fell onto this view. I don't even know if we're supposed to be here,
I don't either, but let's come on down.
but look at that view.
Okay, it does say private deck, so we'll head out soon, but take a look at this. Unbelievable.
Yeah, exactly.
You just gotta check this out. Oh my. Wow. What's so tall is this? Beautiful.
Okay.
That's gorgeous. You have to take in a view like this on a beautiful sunny day.
Thank you so much. It is stunning in here.
Oh, thank you.
I love the work. It is just,
This is just so
it's amazing.
unbelievable.
I just, how do you do it?
She is another.
Now all these are charcoal and pastel.
Yep. Pastel, the ones over there on the wall are originals.
Wow.
These are originals?
Yeah, those are originals. And then we get a different prints and products and stuff.
Oh my gosh.
That's amazing. This one here.
Oh, snap, yeah. There's some good ones.
Look at the work, guys.
So amazing.
The work is amazing. Charcoal and pastels.
You know, we need to remember this. This is so beautiful.
Look at that. Look at that wall. We all remember most of them.
Yeah, iconic.
Hey, thanks for watching Otter HB. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up for a like. Peace, guys. Have fun.